So plenty more to come. There's how you can get involved. Messi. Oh. Messi!
Are you kidding me? Come on! This man is absolutely mainline to pure footballing magic that belongs in a different galaxy altogether than we are living in. Absolute astonishing, jaw-dropping genius from Lionel. 3 players inside a telephone box and he don't care. He emasculates them individually, collectively.
ميسي مر نعمر، ميسي مر نعمر، ميسي مر نعمر ووسع. الله 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 الله.
Messi against 2, Messi against 3, Messi against 4, against 5, against 6. Pass off Henry. Henry to the left foot. This is offside.
He's watching Messi, like all of us. I don't blame him for that.
Finish. You think we can do that? How come you couldn't beat now sending 2 one-on-ones in the first 45?
Retains the ball. Messi, they're teasing Espanyol here. This is outrageous from Lionel Messi. Outrageous from Messi, and whisked home by Suarez.
And he's very grateful for this.
Beats 1, beats 2, beats 3, beats 4, beats 5. Can't beat the 6th of the keeper, and Suarez sweeps it home. Dynamo,
oh my goodness.
David Blaine, Harry Houdini, you've got nothing on this man.